record for Twitch, I'll directly upload it to YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? So if you feel like you've missed something, absent, or you just want to go over what we did, go watch it. Okay, you can skip, right? Or I don't know how the 2 times speed is. Yeah, no, I don't know how you guys do that. If you do that. Okay, and then I think some of you guys, for the test wise, I had to talk to some of you, so yeah, don't be alarmed if I call you, okay? Oh yeah, so we will start graphing this chapter. Right now, it's not, you don't really need it, right? But if you do need it, then you come by. I have graph paper right here, okay? So feel free to take it if you need it. Highly suggested. You guys good? Also, if you have another color to kind of highlight that line, like, you know, my yellow line, I would recommend it, just so it stands out to you. Okay, I don't have any more highlighters, but I might have like blue pens that you guys will have. Does anybody need it? Like a blue pen? Or like any other color pen? You guys have different color? No. What happened? Okay. Towards. All right. All right, you guys ready for this? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so linear function, basically graphic wise, it looks like a straight line. Okay, doesn't matter how long or short or like which direction it goes, as long as it's straight, it is a linear function. Okay, because a straight line and it has the word line in it. You guys see that?
Whoa.
Yeah? Okay, next. Okay, I don't need you guys to copy down like any directions like this. Yeah, just get like the little title, like example graphs, and then the actual picture. Like the example part, like just a little title like example, and then in parentheses graphs. Yeah. Okay, you guys okay with this? All right, so the only solutions that you're gonna like write out right now are linear or nonlinear. Okay, so you know graphically, what does it look like? Linear, right? It's a straight line. Okay, so you just say linear. That's it. Okay, so picture-wise, should be pretty straightforward. Okay? It's either linear or not linear for now. Later on, you guys will learn different names for different graphs. Okay?
What would be a non-linear graph?
I'll show you.
Okay.
Something that's not a straight line. That's exactly what I did.
That's not a linear.
Okay, I got it.
That's a squiggly.
That's how Jaden walks.
That's
Why is that kind of true?
Yeah, because linear is line, and that's a squiggly because it's squiggly.
Okay.
Shut up, I don't walk like that.
Okay, so you guys get the point for this, right? So this one will be what? Non-linear.
Sure, write down.
Okay, there's one thing that I forgot to mention, so I'll let you guys write it down first and then I'll talk about it.
Why is the X line not in the middle?
What?
Why is the X line not in the middle?
It just made y longer. It keeps on going, so it doesn't matter.
She's not.
Okay. Okay, you guys okay with this?
Yeah.
Okay, the one thing I forgot to tell you is on all of your homework and notes, whatever, and on your tests. You guys see this? Okay, this is the x-axis, right?
Yeah.
I will not fill it in for you. You fill it in yourself. And if on my test, yeah, what happens if you don't write it down?
Is that marked off the whole thing?
I mark you off 1 point.
Fail.
Okay?
Can I see that?
What?
Can I see the
No. Okay, next one. What is this? And then bonus points. Does anybody know what the name of it is? Parabola? Where did you hear that from? Who's that? Parabola?
What does that say?
Parabola.
I can't see it. What does it say?
It's a parabola.
I don't know what it says. Parabola.
It's a B.
Is it B?
Yeah.
What's the only B?
Okay, please don't say parabola or whatever. Guys, it's parabola, okay?
Oh, parabola. Parabola.
Parabola.
Did I say it right? Parabola.
Parabola.
I said it right. Parabola.
Okay, okay. Are you guys done drawing? We're done? Next. What is this? What? Linear.
Don't make those comments in class.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We're streaming right now.
Sorry.
It's like I tell you guys something and you guys forget like in 2 minutes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, you guys are not the only ones. If my friends are watching, they do the same thing. And yes, my friends watch sometimes.
Your friend.
I don't know, you're just watching.
You just watch it live?
Yeah, so if he hears me call him out, he knows I'm talking about him. No, literally, they forget. I tell them something and they forget like a minute later. Like, it's okay, you guys are not alone. My friends, sure, something like that.
Wait, did you just say he's like Catholic Austrian? Catholic Austrian.
Where are we getting these from?
Where did you get that from?
What did you say?
Where did you get that from? A Catholic Austrian.
I said Catholic Austrian.
Alright, let's focus back up. Are you guys done with this? Are we done? We're done. Okay, next.
That's a linear.
Linear?
If I was in Austin, that.
I'm a master.
Does it matter if it's not exactly in the middle?
I'm holy.
Does not matter. Well, this one's not exactly in the middle either.
My bad.
You know, I think at this point I'm not angry anymore.
I'm sorry, Mrs. My bad.
Alright, are you guys done now? Over there, you good? Okay. Over here, you good? Yes? Natalie, you good? Yes. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're done. Alright, tables now. So, same thing. Take that out. Just do the example, tables, and then draw the table.
Is it multiplying by 2 on the top and multiplying by... No, dividing by 6. You gotta try it.
We'll talk about that. Just write it down first.
Write it down. Don't.
Yeah, it is.
No, think and write it down.
Right?
Okay, do both. Think and write down at the same time. You can do that. Yes.
No. Who did that, bro?
Okay, I know you're thinking about it, but I'll write it down too.
I can't.
Can't do both?
I can't do both. I am multitasking.
In your brain?
Yeah, my brain.
We good?
Yeah.
Okay. No?
Yeah, we're good.
Hold on.
She barely just got done framing the graph. She didn't put the numbers in.
Okay, so take a look. From 3 to 6, what happens?
+3.
Plus 3, why not times 2?
Oh, my bad.
Well, it's the same thing, right? Okay, so let's write both. And let's see what happens.
+3.
Plus 3, I'm going to do like a really small, like times 2, okay? Okay, from 6 to 9.
+3.
So do you still see a times 2?
Plus 3.
No, you only see the plus 3, right?
Plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3.
And then from 9 to 12?
+3.
Plus 3. So your first one, you could think about multiplication, right? But right here, since we're thinking about linear, it should be plus or minus only. Okay? The times or multiplication, it is something else. Okay? Like something entirely different. Alright? And that's also a good thing to notice. If you see it's always constantly multiplying by a number, it is not linear. Okay? Okay. But from 36 to 30? And you go again? And another one? Okay, so those are, consistent, right?
Yeah.
But then on the top, or for the x's, is plus 3. For the y's, is minus 6.
Yeah.
They're not the same,
No.
right?
Yeah.
But is it still linear?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's consistent.
This is a
It's
constant
still gonna make a straight line.
Because it's
Constant
It's still
rate.
consistent.
Okay,
Constant rate.
great.
Yeah. It's
Great.
consistent. The number doesn't change.
Okay,
Consistent.
linear. Let's talk about it. The x and y values. Actually, wait. I forgot a word. The change in the x and y values are constant. Okay, so I think it's good to hear that a previous teacher used the same language, so that's good. Okay, because this is what it should be. The changes are constant, all right? And it's only within the x and only within the y. Okay, as long as you have this, it will be linear. All right, next one. Or you need the note. Next.
Shut up.
What?
Oh, my bad.
All she said was shut up. That's it.
Yeah, all I said is shut up.
Shut up, Natalie. Shut up, Natalie.
Okay, don't go back and forth.
What's
All right, what about the top? So what happens at the top?
plus two?
Plus 2. We all see that?
Yeah.
Okay, what about the bottom for the y's?
Oh, it's not.
From 2 to 9, what is that?
Plus 7.
And then?
Plus 11. Plus 15. How does that make sense? You're saying, oh,
Not linear.
not linear.
Not linear y.
Because of the
Because it's
y.
not constant. The y
Good.
is a constant.
Hey, but what about the pink ones? Don't they have a pattern?
Go like a curve.
They're odd. It's gonna turn weird.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Whoa.
that's crazy.
Oh.
It's still.
Yeah, it's still non-linear.
Still not linear.
Oh, see, not.
I'm trying to get there fast.
But it does that.
I just wanted to see if you guys saw the same thing I saw, you know?
Still right above.
I saw it.
Yes, it's pattern. Okay, but that yellow trend does not make a difference. Okay, it's for something else.
You just did it?
Yeah. Because why not?
You're right. You're the teacher. You can do whatever you want.
Sure.
No, you didn't.
All right, next.
Already?
Yep. Okay, equations. Let me drag this over.
I really hope that in the future there's something else other than that.
You write that thing on top.
This is way too hard.
Oh, then over.
I don't think so.
Then how are we gonna buy groceries? More
Yeah,
math.
that's basic math right
And
there.
use Apple.
Use Apple.
We're gonna go back to trading.
Yeah, then we'll just be like, oh, I'm gonna buy a shopping cart for 3 hours.
Then you're gonna get scammed and you will not know.
Oh wait, I'm smart. You can use fruits as different dollar bills. Like apples could be $1 bills.
That means money grows on trees.
Yeah, that means money grows on trees. You just grow your own money. Who
I mean,
said
technically you can because you sell the stuff for money.
Exactly.
Wow. Yes.
That'll be for yeah, you guys should make
The purple.
Kanye pink.
No.
Kanye West. Are those like
What purple?
That's blue.
That's blue.
That's
blue.
Purple.
What is that?
Is that
Colorblind.
This?
the number sign? Is that blue or purple?
This is blue.
That's
blue. Here, what color is it? Actually, no, it's different. That actually looks like purple.
What color?
You said that was yellow.
Here, wait,
And you were colorblind.
Interesting. Okay. Okay. So you guys ready for this one? This one could be a little confusing.
Who drew that?
Yes? Yes? No?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Okay. So pay close attention because people get
Can I
confused.
do something?
No.
Like I do something.
Hold this close to the purple.
Okay. Okay. Focus here first. Caleb. Do that later. Yes. Trace. Later. Alright. So you guys see this equation? For an equation to be linear, you gotta be able to write it as mx plus b somehow. Okay? Yes. So take a look. Okay, so if you don't understand this part, it's because I don't expect you guys to, right? And nobody asked, right? So n, which is your slope if you know it, at this point.
Oh yeah.
And b is your y-intercept if you knew that as well.
Yeah.
They're just numbers, real numbers. Okay, so any number you guys know right now, that's what it is. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So if they could be whatever number, I want to make this, or I want to make the original one match the blue one. Somehow, using numbers that we know, right? Okay? You see y is equal to mx plus b has an x, right?
Yeah.
This one does not have an x, right? Where did it go?
It disappeared.
How? How do you make things disappear with numbers?
0.
What do you do with
Oh,
0?
multiply it by 0.
I have 0 nothing.
Multiply it by 0.
Because when
Okay?
you multiply a number by 0 equals 0. And
Yeah.
And it disappears.
Yep.
Wait, I was right?
Yeah. So our problem here, the m is 0 because if you multiply 0 to x, you get 0, right? So it's gone. Okay. And b in this problem is what? 3.8. So there, I rewrote it using y is equal to mx plus b. And since I'm able to do that, this is linear. Okay? Can I explain it again? Yes. You want me to go slower?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Forgot the middle finger.
First,
Yeah, I told you.
hey, focus. Before I smash this board again.
Let's do it again.
Like, I actually did it with you guys, right? But that's just a test run, okay?
Oh.
So, you guys, I should write it here, right?
Wait. This is linear?
Yeah.
How's it linear?
Okay, take a look. Take a look at this. I need to match my original question to this form, right? Yes? Okay, all I have here is a number. That's all I have is a number. I know b is a number, right? Because what I told you, b is just a number. Someone's asking for their phone to be thrown out the window right now. And I will not pay for it, even though I can. Okay? You have to match the mx part. Alright? There is no x here, yes?
Yeah, so that's why you multiply by 0.
That's why m is 0. And if you multiply 0 to anything,
It's 0.
you just get 0. And there's a bunch of zeros. You could do 0 like plus 0 infinite amount of times, right? But nobody does that. Why would you do that? Okay? No, you don't write plus 0 just down the line. Okay. So that's why if you were to match it up, your slope right here is 0, and your number is just straight up 3.8. Okay.
But how is a number with a decimal linear?
It's just gonna sit on 3.8 when it's equal to y. So on the graph, on 3.8, this is your line. That is the y value, right? Your line goes this way. Let's see, does it make sense? Okay? Since this is 3.8 on the y-axis, what is the y value for this point? 3.8. What's the y first for this point? 3.8. All of it is 3.8, right? I don't care about the x value, I only care about the y.
Oh.
Because whatever x value is, be multiplied to 0. Doesn't make any difference, right? So that's why the y value is the one that's important. Okay? You guys, if you guys don't get it, give it some more time, and when we actually go and graph this stuff, you'll start to see it.
How does the B turn into a line? Like the y equals 3.8. Then it turns into y.
B is 3.8.
How?
We're just trying to match this structure right here. We're trying to match this,
Oh.
right? Y is equal to just 3.8. We did not see x, right? Because technically x is being multiplied to 0 up here.
So we're trying to match. Alright.
Yeah, you're just trying to match the
Alright, I understand.
formula. Yeah? Yeah.
No, yo.
No.
No. No.
Square root.
Yo. Oh, we know we're trying to match it.
Yeah. Are you able to match it?
Yeah. If possible, yeah.
If possible, yes. Okay? But let me write this again. You guys remember exponents, right? Exponents and powers? What is the exponent for x right here in my blue? Someone said it. 1. What about for y? 1. As long as both of them are 1, either or, it will be linear. That's basically how you would understand it. Okay? Okay, so take a look at the exponent for y on number 9. What is the exponent for y? 1. So the y checks out. What about the x?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Or actually,
Who said 1/2? How do you know that already? Because it's square root? Okay. So if you did not know yet, right? Square root means 1/2 power. Okay? Yeah. So x has 1/2 power, right? So is this linear?
no.
No, because the power of x is 1/2.
Also, when you can. Okay.
That makes sense because it's
Okay? This graph looks a little weird. It looks like that. Okay, next. Okay, I gotta go a little fast, okay? Where's the x here?
It's a
Exponent of 3. Is this weird?
Yes.
So is it linear?
No.
What I missed? It was like 30 seconds.
Do you guys want to look at the picture of this? You sure? I'll give it to you anyways. Look like that.
That was not linear already.
That's crazy.
How's it not linear?
So that's how not really linear.
Because you plug in many values of x, the growth goes like,
Also, oh, okay.
So solve the problem, you just don't write down the problem.
Just ignoring your problems will not make it go away.
Oh, shit, you're right.
Writing actually looks nice.
Damn, that's crazy.
Next. Where's X?
On the bottom.
On the bottom.
What is that? Mathematical terms.
Decimal. I mean,
Denominator. In y is equal to mx plus b, is that x in the denominator?
Yeah. No.
No. So this is
Linear.
non-linear.
Non-linear.
If you also want to write this in another way, I'll show you real quick. Whatever's on the bottom or denominator will have negative power.
So if it's on
Okay, so non-linear.
I didn't say anything. Yeah. Teacher, you beat me too. Shut up, Jay.
There's such thing as a little x in the name.
Yeah.
Wait, how's it non-linear already?
The power of x is negative 1. It's not 1. It has to be positive 1.
So what if it was on top?
Yeah, that'll be fine. If it was like 2x, then it's linear.
So if the x was on top, it would be linear. Oh, alright, no. So if the x was on the bottom, it's not linear. If the x is on top, it's linear. Sorry, you ever know that?
Oh, yeah.
That's like one other thing.
Oh, thank you.
Are you guys done? I got like 2 more, I think. Alright, you guys know how to do this. What is your first instinct?
Actually, World War 30.
Is this linear or not?
Please don't
Yeah.
play World War
Why?
30.
Because M and B are in there, and it's basically the same as the equation N was 6 and B was 6.
Very close. You got the M. M is 6. Yes. But B is equal to what? Negative 6.
Oh, it has to be a positive, so it's not.
No, it doesn't. It could be any number.
What's wrong with this?
Nothing's wrong. It's linear.
Oh, okay.
I thought because it was negative.
M as well. Okay? Yeah. So remember when I said the all real numbers part? The negative numbers are included, okay? So it can be positive or negative.
Is it infinity or
Last one. Okay, real quick. Linear or not linear?
Non-linear.
Why? That does not matter.
Everything equals 0.
squared?
If I wrote it like this,
So I have to use it.
that's still linear.
It's because it's squared.
Oh,
It's because it's squared.
Yeah, because of the exponent too.
Wait, so that one little exponent just changes everything?
Yeah.
Yep.
So we could have been right, but we just didn't use
How?
it.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter. So like if you guys had this instead, wherever the x or the y are, does not matter. This will also still be linear.
So why can't it be squared?
Because squared will give you the U shape.
That'll make it
Oh.
You do not know that yet. You will learn it in next semester.
I know that.
And hopefully you guys don't go crazy on me.
Why? Is that bad?
Because people don't really take it well.
Is it not linear?
Not linear. I have 2 different examples here. Okay? Because I just wanted to show you that even if they're on the same side, as long as their powers are 1, linear. But the original one, I looked at this, I already saw that this was squared. Non-linear. I don't need to change it. Okay? Any questions? Okay. So, the people who did not finish or take their test, I gotta see you tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow,
During your bed?
during a better time, please. If you need more time, come in during lunch. Yeah. Yeah. So, If I don't see you tomorrow, I'll grade whatever I got.
What?
No! Come on, bro. That's 3 questions, bro.
Should have been done. That comment was for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is classwork 14. The classwork and the homework same number, okay? So like, there you go. You got 3 classwork. Make sure I check before you leave.
And then you're home. Wanna be thug? Yeah, man. You gotta be better, man. I'm going to ignore this.
Tell me if it's linear or not.
This is gonna be unfair.
For once, well, the entire homework, you tell me if it's linear or non-linear, but you got to be able to, you know, explain yourself.
I know, it's so confusing. What? Explain yourself. It's kind of confusing. I understand, but I don't understand.
Yeah, I need that. My house is just how is like
Think about it. And then I'll come back and ask you. Okay, so again, make sure I check it before you leave.
Check what? Check what?
Your classwork.
I don't understand this kind of thing.
Why did you put something back?
Like this? Like this?
Yeah.
Mr. Chow.
No.
Well, can I come and adjourn another time tomorrow?
Yeah? Make sure you make the pass because I don't see you before that.
I have a lot of
Double check that one.
It's linear because it's just a line
Yeah.
in the graph.
Yep.
Mr. Charles back there, right? Really don't. Can I go tomorrow for a day?
Yep.
I'm gonna pull up here.
Really?
What is it?
Gonna say, oh,
That wasn't taking.
I'll do Saturday.
I know you. I was watching.
Actually, I'll do Saturday.
Bro, not like you. Yeah, mine actually had a reason. You were just sleeping. You could have just prevented that.
You could have, no, you could have. I told you to be
I
arrested.
could have.
No, yes, you could. Yes, you could. I told you
Me, I couldn't do
I told you
it.
to. He
There
raised
is
his swastika.
sharp.
Wait, on the swastika. That's literally like, what is it called? Future effect. Butterfly effect.
You? Yeah, anyway, I was thinking it's a one day.
Sorry. Can I scroll it up?
And next, yeah.
So what's your answer for the theory? My hint for you is it's gonna end up being linear. But write down y is equal to x plus b and plug that in. Plug it in. I know there's no y. Right?
So it would still be linear?
What I'm saying to try is, you know, the y is equal to mx plus b? Write that down. And then x is 0, right?
Yeah.
So plug that in and see what happens.
I need to find them.
Wait, for this one, this is not right.
I gotta watch it.
You have this recorded all the time.
No?
40 bucks. 40 bucks.
I can't see the problem.
I have it.
Like you said, number 3. You got lights on it. So I know it can't work.
Sweat on it.
No, you can get a ringworm if you wear this.
You gonna get a ringworm. Yeah, Steven was wearing that while we
Mr. Joe, he's hitting.
Yeah, I'm barking. Am I not barking? I'm dominating my territory. No, you're about to hit me. Ow! 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 Fucking
He's hitting. You didn't see anything, right?
I was gonna say that.
I'll do this. I'll do this.
I watch every show. Every episode.
You know what I was thinking?
Do it. Watch what's gonna happen. Watch what's gonna happen. Watch what's gonna happen.
Pretty sure you know.
No!
I do.
Bro, look.
Here, I'll put it up here. Talking about the same one?
No, I'm not.
James, shut up.
KJ.
Shut up, James.
Wanna be thug.
Shut up, James.
Shut up, Jaden.
Shut up.
Shut up, dude.
Shut up, Jaden. Shut up, Jaden.
Aren't you Asian too?
This is zero.
I identify as an alien.
Okay, and then why is it
Even worse. Yeah, you belong to race. You belong to
I can identify as anything nowadays.
So if the y is not there,
Gay. I identify as a bird.
You can identify as a dog, you get it, so. They identify as a dog.
Oh really? Oh really, punk? It's playtime, you know that?
Ignore it.
It's playtime.
They say he's gonna touch you.
Yo, I never said that once.
no touching each other because we're recording.
Yeah, you can replay it. I never said that once. I'm an innocent man.
Huh?
He's not. He's a one-way thug.
I don't know if I want to show you all this stuff because it's complicated, but basically,
Rick.
this is all zero.
Ignore it.
Oh, that ain't believe it.
Slap me in the face. Yeah, man, you fucking hit me in the head.
Because we're all the X values for these.
Yo,
Hey, Javen, that wouldn't have happened if you had ignored it, gentlemen.
Are you sure?
Hey,
This is zero.
He's sharp.
Zero.
Both you literally you hit me in the face.
It's all
right there.
Only the
Who hit me in the head first?
You sweating.
Who named
Say
it?
sorry.
Are you sure?
Go for it. Say sorry.
Yeah.
If you say sorry, you'll say sorry.
How many
Say
songs?
sorry.
I don't know how do you
Say sorry.
All that extra money is there, right?
No.
how do you count?
Say sorry. Say sorry.
Every single X value is
Say sorry, you'll stop. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry.
So that means
Say sorry.
actually goes around.
Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Sorry.
Yeah. So I'm just focusing on the X value, right? All the X value.
Hey.
Oh my god, which one was that?
Wait.
I lost count, I'm sorry. Sorry.
She did.
Dude,
Why you go through?
Wait, that's what, wait, can I look through this?
These seconds are real. I'm taking pictures. I'm gonna do it.
You have Branson, what's in the? All this is good, right? The Spider-Man one is Aww, you added all those songs. That's so cute.
Why'd you
I was
say it like
never expecting you to. Oh, she added it.
I think it's really
I don't know play this song.
Still got it.
That she wants to rock.
That is so good. This shit is so overrated. I mean, it's good, but it's overrated. See, it is overrated. You know, the first time that I heard that song, I really liked it. Now that it's overrated.
Well, it's gonna take some years. I like this.
I gave you the words now.
I got rid of my dog.
No, we have a silly bottle. And I'm like, wait.
Calm down, Jake. He's standing on the. Oh, okay. Why is this song so good? Bro, that means he's dead, bro. This is the new meta. Why is this cat so fast? It's only funny when you get it. It's only funny when you understand. Small.
Those are the ones that are.
Black hair, like 130.
Power negative? Find that domain, you set the bottom part, you can set the
So in this case, since you're only doing whole numbers, your domain is all real numbers. Sorry, you can hear.
Wait, is it still not here? Because it's not in a straight line.
It goes at 2%.
Good child, you like it?
Dang, you got him already?
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for mine. It's like going across the whole United States
Crazy.
for no reason.
Can I get some tissues? Through time. I want to wet it. Someone said